In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Manychat for TikTok in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to automate tasks, improve engagement, or streamline communications on your TikTok channel, this guide will walk you through integrating Manychat with your TikTok account. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to Manychat, open your browser and navigate to the Manychat website, which is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll see an option to sign in. Go ahead and click on sign in at the top right corner. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to continue, but assuming you do, you just need to enter your credentials for Manychat access. Now once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Manychat homepage. This is your dashboard, the central hub where you'll manage all your interactions and settings. Spend a moment to get familiar with this layout if it's your first time. You'll notice several tabs and options. Next, we need to move over to the Home tab. This is typically found on the top menu bar, so locate that and go on ahead. Clicking Home brings a broader overview of ongoing activities and available settings. It might look a little busy at first, but don't worry, we'll walk through the important bits today. After entering the Home tab, it's time to access settings. This is where you'll manage key configurations for your Manychat setup, specifically for TikTok. You should see a settings option somewhere on the left hand of your screen. Click on it. This will open a new panel with multiple options. Within the settings, you'll find a section called Channels. This is crucial because you'll be directing Manychat on where to engage. Select the Channels section, and you'll be able to see various platforms that Manychat can connect with. Now, look for the TikTok option in the Channels section. It might require scrolling down a bit depending on how many channels you've already configured. Once you find TikTok, click on it. This is the beginning of linking your TikTok account with Manychat, enabling you to automate chat on your popular videos or channel. Lastly, you'll see an option to connect with TikTok. By clicking this, you initiate the connection process. It might prompt you to log into your TikTok account if you aren't already. Follow any additional prompts to authorize the connection, and voila, Manychat is set up to work with your TikTok account, and there you have it. You've successfully navigated through each step to integrate Manychat with TikTok. Remember, exploring further customizations and automation can significantly enhance your workflow. Thanks for watching and happy automating.